Picture this. You're staring at a hole in your wall where your DIY shelf installation just went wrong. Sure, you saved $100 on installation, but now you're looking at $500 in repairs. Financial planning can follow the same painful pattern. What seems like a money-saving move today could cost you significantly more tomorrow. In today's world of user-friendly investment apps and online tutorials, DIY financial planning is more tempting than ever. Platforms like Robinhood and Webull make it feel effortless. But just like that load-bearing wall you might be tempted to knock down, some of your financial decisions might have long-term consequences you can't foresee. Let's talk about what can go wrong. While apps like Robinhood make investing seem like a walk in the park, successful financial planning is about more than just buying and selling stocks. It's about strategy, timing, and experience. For example, when the market dropped 20% in 2022, it might have been tempting to panic and sell everything. But if you had done that, you would have missed out on the recovery and future gains. Robo platforms don't stop you from making impulsive decisions. Professional financial advisors can offer guidance. Here are 4 warning signs that you're in over your head with DIY financial planning. Number 1, you're making decisions based on feelings, not facts, like that bold wallpaper that looked amazing in the store, but overwhelming in your bedroom. Decisions based on instinct or market trends can lead you down a costly path. Number 2, you're spending more time than planned. Just like that weekend project that turns into a month-long ordeal, managing investments can consume more time than you ever imagined. Number 3, you're feeling dazed and confused. What seemed like a simple investment account is now a maze of taxes, estate planning, and risk management decisions. And number 4, you're missing the big picture. Picking individual investments might be easy, but creating a strategy that works toward long-term goals is where the real challenge lies. Let's take a look at what you get from DIY platforms versus working with a financial advisor. With DIY platforms, you get basic investment options and algorithm-based strategies. But with a financial advisor, you get a tailored strategy, proactive tax optimization, risk management, and holistic estate planning. Sure, the fees for a financial advisor might be higher, but the potential for better results often makes it worth it. So when should you consider calling a professional? When you want to be sure you'll have enough for retirement, after receiving a large inheritance, during major life transitions, or if you're starting a business. These are the moments when a financial advisor can make all the difference. Think of a financial advisor as a general contractor, someone who sees the big picture, spots potential problems, and coordinates all the moving parts of your financial life. While DIY platforms have their place, thorough financial planning often requires a professional touch. If you're sensing any of the warning signs above, it might be time to call in an experienced financial professional to help you keep your financial house in order.